Hi guys, so today we will be downloading Filmora 9 application. It is a window editing software for Mac OS. So this is actually a counterpart of Sony Vegas in Windows. So once you found this application, you just need to hit download. And anyway, you can find this one in probably Google. So just look for a free Filmora 9 applications, and then you can just download it from there. So once we hit download, we will be getting another page that will give us an option to download. So all you need to do is just hit on download button from here and then download anyway. This is kind of safe, so don't worry about those viruses. Now once you hit on download, it will take a few seconds perhaps to completely download a file. So let's just wait for that one. Let us open Windime, or you can just simply open your download folders from here. I have it open right here. So finally it's done downloading. It really took a few seconds to completely, a few minutes I guess, to completely download. So you just need to wait for that one and then click on show folder right here and then open this one. So it's now verifying. Let's close this window right here and let's wait for this verification. Okay, and from here you will see this three options that you just need to click on this one first. The first option, open, or right click on this one and open with terminal. This is actually a sort of a license installer. And then let's open this one, hit enter. Okay, there you go. So let us wait for that. Okay, there. And from here, you just need to drag this Wondershare Filmora to the applications. Okay. And now it's preparing to copy to the applications. So it will also take few seconds to completely copy. Okay, almost done. It is still copying. Few seconds left. Okay, so finally it's done. Let's open the application now. Let's try to find the Filmora share, Wondershare Filmora 9. So double click on this one. It's not yet completely installed though. You just need to complete the process. So for now, let's try to open this. And there you go. So I guess we have completely installed the Filmora 9 application video editing software. So I think this one is kind of quick start tour for this application. So you just need to click on next on this one, finish. So I think you are now ready to go ahead and edit your videos. So I hope this video helped in a way. Thank you for watching, guys. And please like and subscribe on this channel. And thank you again. Goodbye.